You have the rev here, all about Rovers. Family, I have you inside of my 1997 P38 Range Rover, and we are going to be doing the HEVAC display repairs. You can see right now currently the unit is on, and of course there's really no visibility to reading what the temperature setting is. And as I rub my finger across it, I want you to see what it looks like. The dials and all still work, but as you can see, you really don't get much of any display and reading. So this is a service that we're going to offer, that you can mail in your unit to us, and we'll do the repair, do the testing to the unit, and send the unit back to you. Again, I'm going to turn you off, fam, and I'm going to do the repair, plug the unit back in, do the testing. I'll take you through the testing mode, and then I'll turn it back on so you can see the actual repair. Now, I will tell you this, as I go here, this unit, you have to take this unit apart here, and I'll do a video on how to get this out. But as you see here, I'm taking the armrest up. You have to take this unit out. There's 2 screws down towards the display. There's one down here. I'm pointing my finger down in the area where it is. There's one down here, and then there's another card up at the front, and then this unit pops out, and then there's 4 screws that hold this unit in. I'm going to do a display on that, but right now I want to focus on the display and getting the repair to the display. So fam, I'm gonna turn you off, and then I'll turn you back on here once I get the unit pulled out, and we get the unit repaired and tested, and then you can see the repair. All right, fam, I'm turning you back on. All about Rovers. As you can see, I currently now have a display on the HEVAC system, so now I know where my temperatures are. If you bear with me in my fingers, as you can see, as I turn the temperature up, I'm getting a display. Okay, if I hit the program, you see the program is working. Turn that off, go to the dial and just turn it up. So now I have the dial working. I can see exactly where my settings are for temperature release. AC button still works. Okay, so we have full functionality, and we also have display. This thing has been out for a while. It's been troublesome for me, so I just went on ahead and decided to take it out and get it fixed. If you need this service from us, you can hit us up, Rover Trucks with an S plural at gmail.com. You can find us on the web, www.allaboutroVers.com, or you can just alert us right inside of the Instagram. God bless your family. Thank you. Good night. All About Rovers. We're here to be of service for you. Thank you.